National 5 biologists. Let's do this past paper question together. So this one says the plant transports water and mineral ions from their roots to their leaves. Part A, mineral ions can move from the soil to the root cells by active transport. Describe the process of active transport. So to get marks here, there's 2 marks available here. There are 3 different points you could make. The first one is, and this is the one most students remember, is that active transport requires energy. Okay, so point 1, active transport requires energy. Point 2, and this is the point a lot of students don't remember, is that membrane proteins are what move the molecules or ions. Okay, and the third mark, again, this is probably more commonly recalled by students, which is that the molecules or the ions are moving against the concentration gradient. Okay, they go against the concentration gradient. Or you could say something like it goes from a lower or from a lower to higher concentration. Okay, that would be acceptable as well. Anything that indicates that it's going up or against the concentration gradient. Okay, part B, water enters a plant by osmosis, which is an example of passive transport. State what this means in terms of the energy required for osmosis. Okay, so if active transport requires energy, passive transport is going to not require energy. Okay, there is no energy required for passive transport. Part 2, name the vessels that transport water to the leaves. Okay, you've got a 50-50 in this one. It's either the xylem or phloem. And for water and minerals, it's the xylem. Okay, the phloem transports sugar instead. So we're looking for xylem there. And then for part 3, when water enters a plant cell, the vacuole fills and swells until no more water can enter. State the term used to describe a plant cell in this state. So it's filled with water, it's swollen, and the term that we use for that is turgid. Okay, if it's full of water in a plant cell, it's turgid. If it was full of water as an animal cell, it would burst. And if it's lacking water, if it loses water as a plant cell, it's plasmolysed. And if it's an animal cell, it shrinks. Okay, so you need to know those 4 terms to describe the state of animal and plant cells when they've either lost or gained water. Okay, folks, hope that helps. See you in the next one.